Hey YouTube, this is Go-Karts, Motorcycles, etc. coming to you with a new video. Now this new video I'm doing today is we picked up this sweet little ride for 300 bucks, and it had one of those power sport engines on it, which are a piece of crap. Anyway, we took it off because we couldn't get it to run, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. And here she is. Look at them big meaty tires. Now this is a streaker go-kart. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a Predator 212 on it. Check this out. It's got dual disc brakes on both sides. It's got a 62 sprocket, 1-inch shaft, and then our 212 will sit right there. It had a Comet 2 clutch on it. But what I liked about it is it's got something that you can't find anymore. The streaker center cap. And it's got all the stickers. It came with a 5 horsepower engine, but we're going to fix this bad boy up, and once we get the motor and stuff on, we'll shoot another video of testing it. And this is Go-Karts, Motorcycles, etc. signing out.